In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the side rear view mirror on this Hyundai Sonata. Mounts to the side of the door, so let's get started. With the help of a trim tool, let's pop off the sail panel, this little corner piece that on some models will have a tweeter speaker, on some it will not. But whatever it has, it simply just pries off and you can set it aside. Right behind that, you'll see the connector for the mirror. You can unplug that by pressing on the locking tab. And then there are going to be three 10mm mounting nuts that you have to take off in order to remove the mirror. Hold on to the mirror, wiggle it, and there it is. If necessary, clean the area where the mirror mounts. Get the new mirror lined up. Start in at least one of the mounting nuts so that you can let go of it and start in the rest. Snug them all up equally. You'll see that the mirror wants to pull closer to the door as you do this. That's normal. That's what you want, actually. That means the seal is squishing and creating a watertight seal. Plug it in and put the sail panel back on. All right, there we go. Mirror is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.